Bzzz. It wasn't a very good bee noise, was it? So outside, putting this lamppost up, concreting it in, and all of a sudden, this happened. Swarm of bees. Don't know where they come from. First thing we heard, well, was heard them. Then looked up and it was like, oh my god, best we get out of here. Anyway, so this is just a short video. Really isn't much more than just what happened and the collection of the bees at the end. Something different if you haven't seen it before, but worthwhile posting anyway. So the first thing I did was just grab my phone. So this first bit of footage was off the phone. Wasn't too bad actually, considering. Don't know where they've come from, but it's just like thousands and thousands of bees. I rushed indoors in the end and grabbed my video camera, so the rest of the footage is off that.
I'll ring my bee man in a minute. If they settle, I'll ring my bee man.
How many are your side? Have you counted them?
Definitely not.
Counted how many are your side?
Yeah.
Now it seems they were settling in the apple tree of the next door neighbour. He wasn't particularly fussed about this because he's allergic to bees, so we know a beekeeper, and he rushed in just after work. Didn't even go home and get his beekeeping suit, something he regretted later on because he swelled up like the Elephant Man. He was not a pretty sight, but bless him, he put them into the hive.
Have you got that photo, Andy?
I'm filming it.
Sorry about the shaky footage. The camera was at full zoom, which is 90 times, so it's real bad at that kind of length of zoom.
The old boy in the bungalow, first bungalow down here, when they were in his conifers, he was absolutely covered in these bees. And Georgine and Jackie were
struggling to
they were crying because they thought that they
stay focused or stay still at this distance of zoom.
Somebody just said, oh, they stung me once or twice, and says, but apparently when they're like this, they're really docile. I went down the field the other day and got bloody stung twice.
Oh.
is where he's got to try and get them into that box, and it looks like they're actually on the trunk bit, which is a bit of a pain because they're trying to shake them. But he's got to get the queen in that box. If he don't get the queen in there, then they'll bugger off. Yeah. Yeah, they're on the trunk, which is a bit of a pain, really. Oh, they're gone. They're gone.
Bloody hell.
There's one on the back of his head. But this old boy went lived down the road there. He had his old pipe. And that was it. You know, he was just dressed like normal.